Have you ever had those clients that just absolutely drive you crazy and you don't really understand what is so hard about moving? Well, I'm here to tell you that I just moved for the first time in almost a decade, and I totally empathize with them now because it is a lot. So if you're a realtor and you haven't moved lately, I want to just give you a quick lesson in empathy of all the things that really are pretty tough when you're selling a house. And just to help you understand not only how we can come alongside and truly make things easier for our clients, but also to empathize and really just be there for them. So some of the fun and interesting things for us, one of our showings, we were actually floating down the Comal River and got a text saying you have a showing in 3 hours. We literally swam to the side, got out of the river, drove home, grabbed the dogs, and we're pulling out of the driveway as the buyers were pulling in. So if that's not dedication, I don't know what is, but just know that that's real. Like that struggle of getting the dogs out, getting the house clean, keeping it clean all the time. I mean, that's not just a complaint, that's a very real thing for our clients. And making that process easier can be very critical to making their whole sale go more smoothly. So having a list of tips such as, here's the thing. So one of the key scripts I always tell my clients is at the listing appointment, I say, you know what, let's start the moving process now. We're gonna box up everything that you don't need on a daily basis. We're gonna put that either in the garage or in storage, and you will thank yourself later. Because here's the thing, your house is going to sell and you are going to move. And when you get that offer and you're ready to make that move, all this stuff's already gonna be boxed up. But what I also know is it's gonna make every single showing easier for them too. So one, I always encourage them to be maybe go on a little staycation or be out of town the first weekend on the market. Let's make it very easy to see. Number two, I give them a list of just quick things they can do to pick up the house in just a few minutes. Number three, make sure that they have solutions, maybe a doggy daycare, or work through those ideas of how can we help them have a plan in place so they can get out of the house quickly for showings. And number four, help them to go ahead and pack up everything. It's gonna help your listing show better, and it's gonna help their life go more smoothly. So here's the chaos I've been living in lately. And it's all worth it, but have a little empathy.